It's been a really long while, and so I want to dive into where I've been, what's going on, and what we are doing now. It's Monday afternoon, and I have yards and yards and yards of fabric in the wash, and this is my first, I would say my first real production day for Maison Camellia, and I am super excited to finally be filming this. I've been thinking about this channel pivot for a while, and I'm just excited to finally be sharing this with you guys today. I started Simple Minded with the goal of following the process of renovation and sharing design tips while renovating our old home. The goal and my desire for that channel was to share tips for living simply, and like I said, to document our renovation. And I do have a design background, so it was also going to be sharing design tips along the way. And what was supposed to end up being around a 6-month renovation ended up stretching to around 4 years. But I am back, and the theme and the focus of this channel, it really isn't going to change that much. The focus is still going to remain on creating beauty and living with beautiful things in our lives. I'm really passionate about that. I think it's so important now more than ever to have joy and creativity in our lives, and to create beautiful things and live with beautiful things. I truly believe that when we live with beautiful things, that we're happier. It makes us happier. I am going to be doing small batch textiles and sewing, making beautiful carry-all bags and totes and bowls and linens for the home that are meant to be used and lived with on a daily basis. And spring markets are coming up, and like I said, this is the first full production day. And one of the things that I'm doing, because I don't want any of the things I'm making to feel really precious, like you can't use them, I am pre-washing all of the fabric that I'm using. So that is what I'm doing today. All of the fabrics that I'm using, the beautiful fabrics I've picked out, are 100% cotton or a cotton linen blend. Even though I wasn't able to take you guys on the journey of the renovation of this home, I'm excited to be able to take you along on the journey of creating for Maison Camellia, which is this house. This is a 100-year-old house, and it's surrounded by 100-year-old tea camellias and Sasanqua camellias, all these different varieties of camellias. And so that's the inspiration for this brand. And a few days ago, I was so excited to get confirmation on my first market. Okay, I look so horrible. I'm still in my pajamas. But I just found out that I got into the Vintage Market Days market in Charleston for April, and I did not expect to get this emotional. I don't know why I'm so emotional, but it has just really hit me, and I am so excited. And I think the reason why I'm so emotional is that it means this is real. And I am doing this. So I know I look like a mess, but I wanted to share my excitement. I was surprised that I got so emotional from that email, and I really didn't expect to cry. It kind of took me off guard. I think it felt so emotional because it made everything that I'm doing feel so real, and like it's just a confirmation that things are moving along and about to get going. And that's really the heart of this, not just this video, but this channel, It's about life and living, and like I said, creating beautiful things that we can live with every day. If you are interested in following along this new chapter, I'm going to be sharing videos on my process of making and going to markets and quiet life of artisan sewer and making beautiful things. So if that's something that you're interested in, stick around, and I'm so excited to have you here, and I will see you in the next video where I'm going to be sharing all of the fabrics that I have picked out for my spring collection and just sharing the inspiration for those and much more. All right, see you then. Take care.